This video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the online scam associated with the website Freememoryhub.site. It's a scary message and scary alert attacking the majority of popular browsers such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and others. The pop-up states the following scary message. It says, "Free up some memory. Urgently, your computer is overloaded." So obviously some people might think that this is supposedly some decent notification from your operating system, but the reality is that when people mistakenly agree with the proposal and click on the free memory button, they will be forced to download and install some extension. The extension is called Refresh All Tabs, and it works as a browser hijacker. It may change certain important browser settings, for instance the default homepage and the default search engine. Plus, it may spy on the user's browsing activities, collect some personal data, and perform other illegal actions. Also, this scam is accompanied by the voice message, and the voice message tries to scare you even more. So you just heard this scam that says you need to free up computer memory urgently. This is all done to persuade you into downloading and installing that extension. However, this is the typical online scam, and you should not fulfill any of its commands. If you have installed any suspicious extensions into your browser, go to the menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions, then disable and remove any extensions that were installed without your intention. I would also recommend that you research your system with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com. Then, after the software is downloaded and installed, let it update its antivirus database and click on Start Combo Scan. Initially, the application is in the trial mode, however, it has got certain free features, for instance, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Click on Start Combo Scan and let the program begin the complex investigation of your system. It will help you to detect any possibly hidden threats on your computer. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The good thing about Combo Cleaner Antivirus trial mode is that it gives you the complete summary of threats on your Mac, including their exact location. To find out where the threats are located, go to the antivirus section at the end of scan and click on the review results link. So this is the summary of all threats, and as you can clearly see, the program gives you not just the threat name but its particular location on your Mac computer. So you may click on this icon that says Show in Finder. This will reveal you the threat in Finder. You may right-click on it and move it to the trash. So you may do the same thing with each specific threat one at a time. Or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program in order to get rid of all these threats automatically and keep your Mac protected.